Oh no, I'm going down.
Oh, jeez.
Oh shit. Joe's going in there. I want to go in here.
Oh, ho, ho!
What's your face sitting there?
She's deep.
Oh, ball! Just sit. Ah, you're getting me. Oh no. Ah. Do it again.
Waterfall!
Say it again. It's like 2 feet deep. I've been wanting to do edits, like, you know how other YouTubers do it. I think I'm gonna do that. So ready? 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Joe's going in there. I want to go in here.
Oh, ho, ho!
What's your face sitting there?
She's deep.
Oh, ball! Just sit. Ah, you're getting me. Oh no. Ah. Do it again.
Waterfall!
Say it again. It's like 2 feet deep. I've been wanting to do edits, like, you know how other YouTubers do it. I think I'm gonna do that. So ready? 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
They will go down.
Huh?
Oh no, we can't go up there. We find out.
Oh no, I'm going down.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Are you going down?
Yeah. Oh shit. Yo!
Look at that! Yo, this is so freaking new. What the fuck? Yo, I got a video of this little guy.
Love traveling. I want to do it more and then vlog everything. I'll see you when we get off this part. Because then we gotta go on a trail and then I guess we're going to a lake. But I don't know. They might next The next clip might be somewhere else, or it might be the end of the vlog. So if it is, if you like Logan Paul, be a Maverick. We went in that, me and Joe.
I kind of went in.
Put your feet in. Think this is the end of the vlog finally, or next clip. But hope you enjoyed. Please don't subscribe. Kiss.